All right, so I want to graph this data about Pacific and Atlantic salinity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these two columns. I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to click Chart. Now what I want to do is I want to compare the Pacific to the Atlantic salinity, and I want to do that with two lines on this graph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this graph. It's going to bring up my chart editor. I'm going to go to Setup. I need a second series here because I only have my Pacific data. I want my Atlantic data in there. I'm going to click on Add Series. I know that my series is here in G, and it's going to be G5 through 10. So I'm going to put G5 colon 10 through G10. And then I'm going to click OK. That's going to give me this data here. Oops. Not G. G is wrong. Let's edit that. Let's change that because G is depth. G is not what I want. It's H. So I made a little mistake. H. Okay. Now I have salinity in the Atlantic. I have salinity in the Pacific. I need to fix a bunch of stuff here. Salinity and depth are fine on those axes. So my legend needs to be salinity in the Pacific. And what I did is I just clicked on the blue and it popped up over here. I'm going to click on the red. This is in the Atlantic. And this is made up data too, by the way. And I want this, I'm going to go to Customize Legend. I want this on the right. I don't like it at the top. All right. Salinity in the Pacific and Atlantic over depth. Okay, so that's how it's plotted. We have depth in meters, salinity in meters. Now we have our two lines for our line graph, and it looks beautiful. So that's how you graph. If you have questions, please bring them to class, and I will answer them.